Welcome back MH Car Review. Today I'm bringing you an exclusive and futuristic machine that looks straight out of the year 2050. Just one look at this incredible Cadillac-inspired luxury motorhome is enough to tell you that this isn't an ordinary vehicle. This is a masterpiece of engineering, a premium-class road yacht designed for people who want comfort, technology, presence, and unmatched style all in one massive package. So let's dive deep into its exterior, interior, performance and pricing, and see what makes this futuristic giant truly special. From the outside, the first thing that grabs your attention is its ultra-sleek, aerodynamic body. The front has a bold panoramic glass dome that wraps around the cabin, giving it a spaceship-like appearance. The massive LED strip lights, the blade-shaped DRLs, and the smooth gloss black accents combine to make the front look extremely sharp and modern. The body sits very low to the ground on huge multi-spoke alloy wheels, giving it a sporty and powerful stance. On the sides, you can see the long continuous glass windows that create a premium VIP lounge vibe from the outside. The chrome touches, the Cadillac-style logo, and the signature script branding add an extra level of luxury. Even the wheel arches and lower skirting are sculpted beautifully, showing that every element of this design is crafted with precision. This vehicle doesn't just roll on the road, it glides like a luxury cruise ship. Once we step inside, the real magic begins. The interior of this futuristic motorhome feels like a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. You're greeted with full digital displays, soft ambient lighting, and premium leather upholstery that wraps every seat. The cabin layout is spacious, with lounge-style captain seats that can recline fully, rotate, and offer massage features. The roof uses a panoramic skylight design that brings in natural light and makes the cabin feel even more enormous. Depending on the configuration, this motorhome can include a mini bedroom, a compact kitchen area, a smart entertainment lounge, and a fully equipped digital cockpit. Touchscreens are everywhere, on the dashboard, on the walls, even integrated into the seats. The soundproofed interior ensures a peaceful ride, no matter the weather or road conditions. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving luxury hotel designed for long trips, work on the go, or ultimate comfort. Performance-wise, a vehicle of this size doesn't compromise on power. While the exact specifications depend on the model and customization, futuristic luxury coaches like this typically come equipped with a high-output diesel or hybrid electric powertrain. Expect horsepower figures between 500 to 800 horsepower, giving it strong acceleration despite the massive weight. Advanced air suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, making long journeys incredibly smooth. The braking system, stability controls, and driver assist technologies like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and automatic parking make this mega vehicle surprisingly easy to maneuver. It is built for highways, long-distance travel, and luxury touring, not for off-roading, but on the open road it delivers effortless performance. Speaking of pricing, this type of luxury motorhome sits in the ultra-premium bracket. Depending on brand, customization level, powertrain options, and interior configuration, the price can range anywhere from $800,000 to over $2 million. Fully loaded versions with premium interiors and high-tech features can easily go beyond that. This is not designed for regular buyers, it's for elite customers who want something extremely unique, futuristic, and personalized. So that's the full in-depth review of this futuristic Cadillac-style luxury motorhome. It's bold, massive, elegant, and packed with cutting-edge features that redefine what a next-generation touring vehicle can be. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing reviews here at MH Car Review.